Adaya.
3. For you, this is a gift for you. Whoa. Look at that. Sticky rice flour. So how was the journey?
It was good.
Okay,
No
okay.
problem.
After you cross the river?
Yeah.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. And so does the sun come up there?
Yes, exactly.
What Hinduism villages are there in Tangkhul, and each village has its own different dialects. That means some 200 languages.
Wow.
They only in Tangkhul tribe.
That's a
But
lot. Thank you.
Hang out with green tea.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
we thank you that in spite of all the troubles and all the difficulties, you have led her throughout her journey.
Compliments to the kitten. So this is a shawl, a European shawl. It's from Romania.
Romania.
Very nice.
Thank you. And this is some German chocolate and some more German chocolate.
Yuki is singing. Yeah, singing. Come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. With the music. Same. Very matching. So, enough. Let's go. Hello, Bella. Miang bay lui dùng rồi đấy. Miang bay. Cái khinh nhẹ khinh đi lấy ăn sao được nhá. Cái khinh nhỉ? Rồi. Oh, whoa! 1, 2, 3.
My trophy.
Woo!
There's one on the left, no?
Yeah, there's one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What's the answer?
I have work to do. You can go.
You finish this all.
Yeah, exactly. You go on.
Whoa!
Oh.
That's quite big. Whoa! That's hot manadle.
Leishilak.
Hey! Ni xin rồi xem. Ở đây on vừa atheishirai và chúng lại nắm lên cái đó. Yêu thì sang hậu sĩ family nữa. Issue là cái chúng ta đi. Cái chúng nó em sao? Sao đỡ miệng sướng lắm đấy. Mình có sẽ là đi tao mình mang được tao làm gì được. Ngay liền. Wow. Rồi đây. Thì sẽ lấy shape đi đi. đây là rất nhiều nó có chui ở trong thế này. Đi chơi phải. Ôi, đuôi nó tái đó. Wow. Thành lão rồi. Mới xỉm lên à. 이거 너무 나네 봐요. 됐네. 오, 어이요, 야, 중래고. 아동남 샬롱 생이네, 아동남. Đó giờ rồng tiếng này là léo, chóng, trong tiền léo. 제발아, 아베요. 내가 생각에 오렌지 좋아하던 Yes. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't know how.
Sắp quay lên sân sân này chứ.
Okay.
Yes. Like that. Oh. 자. 빨리 와서 명.
Good. 네.
까나드네. 좀 나야 돼 위다 해 놓이. 저기 위다 되지. 그러네. 어려워 정지. này thằng nào này chú mua thì farm mua thì yes mình nay đâu vào nó xe cái thì bên mình nay đấy biết là rất là chỉ bị khoai lên.
Congratulations to your wedding.
Thank you.
Flower.
Yangpa.
Yes. That's yompa. Yes. Yompa.
Good.
Đó này.
Todos.
Harmony. Which means like it is okay, right?
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Keep them harmony.
I warned us that you know.
Oh, I
saw
see. You learned now.
Don't speak.
Don't speak.
Yes. Chết rồi sao chết rồi chứ? Organic lăng này chứ? Cứ là tiêu cái sai cái gì không? Organic cứ đan nó cái sai ngay không? Thằng nào này? cái là 시장 사이드 세반하기 속 살아야 고비빙이 줘 껌.
Let's go up.
설정해 놓인. 자르코, 벨라, go. 이거 리설비. fresh 아로나 시장도 속 살아 봐.
Còn đây cũng không thấy cùng nó mới qua cái đó ở cuối cả.
Our plucking is done.
샤이크파, 샤이크파.
Kapha.
샤이크파 있으면 됐지. Right? How's it?
It's nice.
샤이크파. 샤파이.
Shapai. Shapai.
샤파나이. 야.
Shapanai.
아. Muddy road.
Oh.
This is a real adventure. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Woo. Whoa. What a day, what a ride. Yay. Yes. Đây là khai bỏ liều đấy. Chào mong sao đó. 그런 군막 좀 있는 거 군거 좋다 안. 오호. 아씨. 소갈 먹어요. 이거 빨리 번나 잘 먹어. 오. 오.
이런. 아니래 찍으라.
나가 있는 거다 더 그래. 오전 줄 해도 들으는 거 해봐 신나. 저, 뭐. 봐라.
좋아.
Apa ini foto video? Yes, this is the friendliest one.
Friendly, yeah.
Wherever we go, they want to follow.
They want to follow me.
Woo! Almost.
Everyone is in the picture, even the.
다리 펴도 되겠냐? Look by phone. You have to remove the seat.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
I remember. She used, yeah, like here, especially here later on. And my mom, grandma, she used even leftover from the rice, the washed rice.
Yeah.
얘는 전단을 쓰다가
After you wash the rice,
거의 겨우지나 잘라도 미분의 얘는
she used that.
이 어리끄다 라파
This is also like.
laga kada 여자 laga 좀 내도 관 되는데요.
Oh,
It's coming out. It's coming out. Kita apa naik sih?
Do it like this. It's very good, very clean. Smells not bad, yeah. The smell is like lemony. It has a lemony smell.
Iya, sama semusan aja. Also good. Very soapy. Don't stay rude. See, let me see. Oh, 나오다 좋아요. 자, 본다 감사리. So during those days, they don't use soap.
Yeah.
They only use this kind of
But it
things.
feels really clean.
Yeah.
Really clean.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers to having the best time.
살사 이렇게 되어 그러죠. 정도를 들어가다 했네요. query. What did query? Tyler query. Orange samkaphang, koala samkaphang, hanjira samkaphang kopida. 저, 잠깐만. What is this? Take it out. What say? 야라. Careful.
안지랑 선물이 이러이. 이거 자가 나중에 샀네. Yeah. Have red.
Yeah.
So this is for the centenary next year. So every new house that is built,
They have already.
they have to have like that for uniformity and all. I think it's more like a purpose of wash in the plum, huh?
Nice.
무슨 말이야? corn.
Chém bánh tên này Jutta gì?
Bác Su này.
Ôi, Jutta.
Nó khí thì chỉ là cái ngày nó rồi nó mà thông giống vui cũng làm giàu.
You have the same hair.
Yeah.
Same designer.
Finally, leishilak.
저 뉴욕왕 그모션 보일 그 아린 야히 그모이다 rumore 쟤는 야리 그모션 사긴 tặng tới này từ rung từ đi nè bông tê 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 đi thì nó miêu tặng yes chú 아주 긴 파워래 뭐 이게 뭐래 숙성 mũi không nhiều ảnh đi là để trái xanh sẽ bị dạng từ liền nhông ra cái nào bài nó đi chả nào đi dạng rồi bài nào tôi thấy trái xanh rất good good yes yes you have to be careful
Wait. Try it. Move your hips, like when you do. Like, yeah, like that. Yeah, move your hips along with.
It's lost. It's all lost.
good hey is it difficult?
Try this.
Is it easy? Oh yeah, you know, do it together. Come on. Hey. Whoa. Hey. It's coming out. Even the sound also. Now it's become louder. Tuk. Okay.
Try this one.
Sure. Okay.
You go first.
Yeah, now in heaven.
Earning my rice cake for tomorrow.
Take a portion from there.
So this is a gift for you. Hey, what a gift.
I've never been given it before in my life. Thank you so much.
This is her father. Kharing.
You know her? You know him? From the paintings?
Yes.
He is one of my favorite models.
So,
A bit emotional.
So nice.
Yeah, a bit emotional.
It's a bit emotional.
자, 아리다다 기프 그럼 이모와 라가 이 지거지. 뭐 인바 남나지. 이거 하나 가이나 이제 정ngay cái
What a beautiful chicken. What a beautiful chicken. Look at my chicken.
They raise it themselves, no?
What a beautiful, beautiful chicken.
That's the pork. Yeah.
This is first time, right?
First time trying a frog.
Okay, come on. Oh,
How much was I bought?
look this.
Very, very tasty.
Okay.
Mm.
Whoa. You can do a mukbang. Good,
Fantastic.
Em rồi một tháng sẽ
Nó có yên đi sao rồi.
người ở đâu nhưng mình nó thấy cái đường pin á đây
Good.
He was like, really, really happy to see you.
I'm very happy to see you too.
왜 나 미나이 양 그래지.
This is our October.
좀 가무이 violent 바시위 가무이 ready 사 보가 래 ngui cái New Year rồi bác.
New Year in Gimei đâu. Gia đình tôi người New Year, thằng mày New Year sao vậy?
That sound. Let me have one. Okay.
It's a little bit sweet,
Yeah,
but not too sweet,
not too sweet.
and very crunchy.
Okay, okay. Ông đang bao nhiêu năm Thái Lan này? Làm Thái Lan sao vậy? Yeah.
Most welcome.
Hey, số đem lại sẽ vào đây à hey. Sao nó tiếng cái lấy cho? Đang đây đi sao được cái này? Đông ở liên bang dân ở đây thì nào miếu tang, thằng gì nào ông tang.
Super nice. They are going to turn out really well. So this is the second try. This is our second half here. The first one was very crispy and very nice. And this one is more soft.
Yeah, it is.
Not so crunchy. And I prefer this one, even though the other one was also very nice.
Yeah, this is different. Even the other one was nice, but this one's a bit softer.
Actually, a bit softer. Very good.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Iwi amin 2024 hoi. Okutui abuk abaga kesema. Atam amurin singkame. Rekamtaya china Ithumwui ili chipo karani. 2024 zingni. Ina tum cycle relief Rev Jutta semisho. Shakatum hunter da pamahi kanina. Hiwi lingli cycle relief atam dira. Mayo atam zur atam.
Wow, so ini gini kamu ya? Where is it? Happy New Year! Wow. Sticky rice flour. Chúng hay lấy xịt tung mà nó sinh này. À với mang mình quỳ. Happy New Year. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 자, 망하고 세야라. 공시하려가. Cheers. Cheers.
You know, I was contemplating last night about the name Sirarakhong. I learned that it means Sira, star, and Rakhong, pond. And so to me, this is such a perfect name for this place because it combines like the sky, the heavenly, and the beauty of it, the spark, and the pond, which to me is this unending source of fresh water, which is, you know, the basis of our life. And so this is exactly what I was experiencing here. I had this spark of the people that it was such lovely friendliness and hospitality that I experienced here. I can hardly express it in words. And I count my blessings in this experience in people, because the conversations I had, just the heart-to-heart connections I had, it was beyond words. I can't even explain. And I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful that I could do this trip. I waited for this for 6 years. I was planning and then postponing. And now the day was finally here. And it was beyond any expectation I had.
Yeah, thank you so much. Visit us again.
I will definitely.
I just want to give you a small gift. This is my painting. So, see.
Now you are making me cry. You did it.
That's a small gift. Token of
This
love.
is beautiful.
It's a token of love. Yeah.
Thank you very much. You know, it even fits in my apartment. I have like a certain color range that I am using, and this is just perfect for my place. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Before she leaves, we have to say goodbye to her. So she's a bit emotional right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your visit.
Thank you. Until next time. I don't say goodbye, I say until next time.
Yeah.
You're making me so emotional.
Emotional? Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.